name is Scott, and I have complex gear acquisition syndrome. Night and day, I think about guitars when I'm not playing them or recording or repairing. I'm customizing and thinking about customizing. It's a real disorder, and it's taken control of my life. Despite this, I always try buy used guitars and try keep it as cheap as possible. That's my rationale. That's my defense. Okay, that is my defense. So what I've done recently is kind of taken me by surprise, because I've actually, for the first time ever, ordered myself a brand new out of the showroom guitar. And today I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to do some sound samples and check it out. Now, the guitar in question is direct from Thomann. I have dealt with Thomann in the past and not with the greatest of experiences, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also a little bit excited. This is a completely different guitar for me, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you reckon, and looking forward to seeing what it sounds and plays like, if it's set up right. Because again, this is the first time I've ever done this, so let's get to it. Yeah. Please forgive the amateur hour handheld thing, but we've got to do what we can, and I've not got a lot of space, if I'm honest. So let's get to it. Yes, for some reason my knife is shaped like an AK-47. No idea why. Right, I'm gonna have a quick close-up look with the camera, or iPhone, high tech and all that, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like, give you a good look at it, okay? So you can see, it's actually a pretty thing in its own right. It is very pretty. I've polished off the black marks, most of them, but I have never seen pickups this high in my life. Look at them! And the action's not too bad. Could come down a little bit. But those pickups, I'm going to have to wind them down a little bit and bring this bridge down somewhat. Nice distressed Squire 40th. Okay. That looks like a really serious face. Or a really fed up face, I can't decide. With distressed bridge. But yeah, let's get it running. Alright, so we have some set up. Alright, let's see what happens. Check the tuning, obviously. Which is out. stability line. Right, some things that could be cured with some locking tuners, I think. Doesn't stay in tune very well at the moment. Let's see where we're at. Right, as well, this is, I'm not being paid to do any promotion, I'm not in contact with any of these companies. None of them have asked me to do a review, this is my own money. Let's change channels up. Let's see what it's like with a bit of gain. Let's give it some drive. Well, I'll be spending most of my time running on a clean channel, I think, because it's frets are terrible. It's like sandpaper. this going to go, do we think? Right, I think that's fucked it. Let's have a look. Not overly bad. Okay. Right, I've got to be honest, I'm going to have to leave this for now and come back and get these frets polished up and recrowned because they're fucking awful. Yeah, they're really bad. They're the worst frets I've played. I can't do without scratching. So at the moment, where I stand is, it is a lovely guitar so far, apart from that falling out. It plays slick. It plays, it's very Strat-like, but the action is quite silky. I like it. Pickups, not sure on them yet, not giving them enough of a kick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this away. I'm going to rip these strings off and listen to that. Listen, guys, Squire, Toman, come on. These guitars are aimed at people that want to be able to buy something, take it straight out of the box, play it, and have a great experience learning guitar. This makes it fucking difficult because people are going to wonder what's wrong with them, especially people that have never played a guitar before. They're going to wonder why it sounds crap when you're bending or fretting, because it is pronounced. I mean, the frets are fucking flat. Yes, I'm swearing. I'm annoyed. This was, I mean, thankfully I didn't pay £400 for this, which is what they're asking in Britain. Tolman was doing this at $259 with including delivery, but still, this is the first time I've paid full price for a guitar, and at the moment I'm pretty annoyed because it's not set up that well. Yeah, the fit and finish is pretty damn good though, but it's not set up that well. The frets, well, utter shit, truth be told. So I'm going to have to take this away and I'm going to have to do some work to it, and we will come back to you with an update as soon as it's done. So an update on the Jazzmaster is that I'm not going to carry out the work. I'm not going to do the work myself. The frets need recrowning and polishing, and even though it's only a small amount of work, this is £260 or £259 of my own money that I've paid for a guitar that, well, it should be in perfect condition. It should be fully usable, perfect, straight out of the box, no messing around, but it's not. So I've decided I am actually not going to do the work. I am going to send the Squire back, as pretty as it is and as much as I wanted to love it. I'm sending it back. I'll be getting my money back, and then I shall decide therefore what I want to do. But right now it's £250 that or £259 that I'm going to get back because it's not as it should be. Now, if I was a first-time player, I'm annoyed as it is. Now, if I was a first-time player, I'd save my money to buy the Squire Jazzmaster because you wanted to be that guy. I'd understand that. But then that person has just taken delivery of something with the worst fucking scratchy frets I've ever heard. Listen, see if you can hear. You hear that? I've rescued guitars from the shit heap that actually have better frets than that. That's ridiculous. Brand new guitar. I'm not accepting that. I'm really not. So this will be going back to Tommen, and then, ooh, what do I do then? Do I buy another guitar? Do I just forget the whole thing and carry on what I'm doing? Used is better sometimes. Why don't you leave a comment below? Let me know what I should do. Do you reckon I should send it back and order something else from Tommen and try again? Or should I send it back, get my money back, and just get something else from somewhere else? What do you reckon? Stick a comment below. If this video was helpful or entertaining, or if you'd just like to listen to a hairy Yorkshire bloke swear a little bit over something that's gone not very well, please like and subscribe, share, and I'll be back with more content. Okay, but for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend, Earthlings, and yeah, it's time for a smoke and a brew because that peed me right off. Peace out.
Meow.